Mweri omwe tu thutha wa ngahiha cia kinduriri gututhuka mwena uyu, riu thayu ni ucokereirie hatari nganja. Akieria hindi ya mucemanio na atongoria a kidini na honge cia ugitiri, kamishna wa ruhonge rwa NCIC Sam Kona ugite kamiti no nirikitie gutuithania ngahiha ici na kugacirithia thayu.
The uncertainty created by fear and hatred, and after talking with them for 1 month, we've got a lot of resolutions that have come out. But the most common of all is for these communities to use the structures that have been established for peace, the peace committees, as avenues that we can channel their grievances or problems.
Oho kamiti ino ni kuranite ati ngahiha ici ciumanite na ndugamano cia mugunda na uteti ni imwe cia itumi iria ciracungiririe ngui, na oho kuga honge cia ugitiri Narok kia rugongo na ya muhuro ni igukorwo igituithania ndugamano cia migunda.
County Commissioner and the DCCs has been forthright in terms of addressing the issues relating to land and also the issues relating to criminal elements that do create problems for communities. So that vision for a constructive way of dealing with conflicts and security reinforcing community effort is what is giving this process the hope that it needs.
Akieria ithenyaini ria atongoria a kidini, Archbishop Jackson Ole Sapita ugite mugunda wa mutitu wa Mau ni umwe wa migunda iria icungiririe gukorwo na nditimurano na kuria thirikari nene kwiriga mutitu uyu, undu umwe na kuria muingi gwithema na atongoria aria maracungira ngui.
Some of the recommendation was the issue of Mau forest. We all agreed that it's the water tower, not only for the two communities but for Kenya, and there is need that that forest is preserved by all of us, and we are urging the government to fence off where the cut line has been put so that the forest is preserved.
Hadoini ha Kameme TV retore kwani wa boy wa maina.